Hi, my name's Tom. I'm here to tell you about the Sendong Easy Listen sound amplifiers. I'm going to go ahead and open them up here. They're packaged pretty nicely. I've played around with them a little bit. You can see you do get a little instruction manual right here. This is the A28 model. Here we go. And it has all the instructions on how to use it. They're pretty easy to follow. You do get a couple different accessories in here. You get, let me open this up here. You get a couple little different earpieces, and you go ahead and get a cord for charging, and you get a little piece for cleaning, and a little USB-C cord right here for charging. These are for different size earpieces, and I'll show you how all that works in a second. And then this is the actual unit itself. There's a charging case right here. Now this little charging case has the ear things in it. On the back, by the way, there's a little USB-C port that goes into your cord. It goes into an outlet, and you just go ahead and charge it. And I'm going to go ahead and open up the case right now and kind of show it to you. And there we go. You see they're already kind of on. They're ready to go. And all you do is you just take them out and you put them into your ears, just like this. It almost looks like a little AirPod, but it's not. You put it in. They can function as headphones, but they're actually designed to increase hearing. And once I turn them on, I can actually hear things much better. It's like having a hearing aid. They look like little AirPods, and what they basically are is this is where you're hearing stuff, and then down in here is a little microphone. And what that does is that picks up all your sound 360 degrees around you. It is somewhat directional, so if you're turning and talking to someone, you'll hear more in that direction. It does use a little bit of smart technology to kind of clean out the noise and only listen to the stuff you want. I just heard a car pull up, that I don't normally hear. It's just kind of amplifying. Now, they are adjustable as well. You can go ahead and tap them to change the volume, and it'll beep and kind of go up, and it's like 7 different levels of volumes. You can go beep, beep, and it'll go back down. You can kind of control it. It's all in the instructions. You can also go ahead and set it to pair with your phone so you can hear music as well. And that's actually kind of helpful, so you have like little headphones as well as kind of sound amplifiers. I've used these things in crowds and they work fairly well. I didn't want to film anybody in the crowd, but here I am actually just walking down the path. I got a little bit of music going and they work well. They're like little headphones. I can run, I can jog, whatever, I can shake my head. They're not going to fall out. They are pretty solid. And again, just by tapping them, you can change the settings on these things. Volume up and down, you can go to minimum, you can max, you can answer phone calls with these things. They really are pretty cool. The real trick is just kind of getting used to the controls and kind of getting used to what they do and what they don't do. There's not even that much they don't do. They just work really, really well. By the way, each of these things does actually pair up separately so that you can control the volume separately, so that's interesting. When you turn on your Bluetooth and you pair them for the first time, they'll come across as A28, that's the actual model. You can rename them A28 left and A28 right. That's what I did on my phone. The other thing you can do is you can recharge these things. They'll give you about 6 hours of charge before they actually die off, but you can put them in a little case, and the little case will then go ahead and charge them back up, and then you can use them again. The case says it has about 8 charges full of juice in it, so you can charge this 8 times. So 8 times 6 is 54 hours of listening before you have to actually charge the case as well. Again, you're not going to be up for 40 hours straight, so that's fine. So just go ahead and charge it at night. Use these when you need them, and you're fine. Overall, these little Sendong hearing amplifiers are actually pretty cool. I can hear a lot of things around. I can actually just sit on my porch and kind of crank them up, and I can hear the birds. I can hear people walking in and out. I hear people talking. It's not quite like a spy thing where I can go ahead and amplify things from across the field, but they do amplify things around you and near you, and it is a pretty clever experience. It's not something I've actually experienced before. So if you're slightly hard of hearing, or you find your hearing going a little bit, or you just want to be able to hear conversations a little better, these are definitely worth looking into. Again, they work as headphones as well. You can hear different people. You can even connect them to a TV. They're Bluetooth, so you can connect them to all kind of electronic devices. Overall, they really do work pretty well, and they're highly recommended. I was sent these to go ahead and tell you all about them. It's exactly what I've done. I've used them for a little bit, and overall they're pretty good. As long as you can get past the control scheme and get used to using them, they work well. They do what they're supposed to do.